guys, welcome to Plutus IAS Academy, and this is AKSHAY GURUBHAIYE, faculty geography. So I'm here again in continuation of our series that we have started for geography answer writing. As many of you have demanded कि सर आंसर राइटिंग करनी कैसी है, आंसर राइटिंग जो एक स्किल है वो स्किल अचीव कैसे करनी है, एनहांस कैसे करनी है. एंड जस्ट विद दिस थिंग इन माइंड व्हाट वी हैव स्टार्टेड दिस इनिशिएटिव. इसके पहले भी मैंने कुछ वीडियोस रिकॉर्ड किए हैं एंड दोज आर व्हाट टिपिकली विद वन स्पेसिफिक क्वेश्चंस. ओके, सो स्टार्ट किया है हमने UPSC GS-1 ज्योग्राफी 2022 मेंस क्वेश्चंस है. ओके, हर वीडियो में हम एक ही क्वेश्चन कर रहे हैं एंड यू नो व्हाट इज एन एडेड एडवांटेज. द एडेड एडवांटेज इज कि हर क्वेश्चन के साथ आपको मॉडल आंसर भी, हैंड रिटन आंसर जो है वो अवेलेबल है. तो दैट विल हेल्प यू गाइज कि एग्जैक्टली आंसर राइट करना कैसा है. स्टैंडिंग ओवर हियर इट्स वेरी इजी फॉर मी कि मैं आपको बता दूं कि इंट्रोडक्शन कैसे करना है, कंक्लूजन कैसे करना है, मेन बॉडी कैसे लिखनी है. बट व्हाट आई पर्सनली फील कि अगर आपको स्ट्रक्चर्ड आंसर भी अगर मैं अवेलेबल करके दे दूं तो दैट इज रियली हेल्पफुल फॉर यू टू अलाइन योर स्टडीज एंड योर आंसर राइटिंग एज वेल, से इन अकॉर्डेंस विद दैट. तो विद दिस व्यू जो इनिशिएटिव हमने स्टार्ट किया है तो बस उसे ही कंटिन्यू करते हैं. एंड दिस इज व्हाट से द क्वेश्चन अगेन फॉर UPSC GS-1 2022 मेंस ज्योग्राफी. डू वॉच दिस वीडियो टिल द एंड क्योंकि आपको मॉडल आंसर भी मिलेगा उस चीज का, एग्जैक्टली उस आंसर को कैसे अटेम्प्ट करना है उस समय में. ओके, सो स्टार्ट करते हैं. सी द क्वेश्चन इज डिस्कस द मीनिंग ऑफ color coded weather warnings for cyclone prone areas given by India Meteorological Department, simply IMD. So see question, the first, right, always do have this habit कि पहले आप क्वेश्चन के कीवर्ड्स को हाईलाइट कर रहे हो. Okay, highlighting the keyword is the very first step of answer writing process. तो यहां पे देखो क्वेश्चन है कलर कोडेड वेदर वार्निंग्स. दैट इज व्हाट द वेरी फर्स्ट कीवर्ड फॉर अस एंड यस इट इज फॉर साइक्लोन प्रोन एरियाज गिवन बाय IMD. डोंट गेट कंफ्यूज कि किसी और ऑर्गेनाइजेशन के से करना है. नो, एब्सोल्युटली IMD इज द central agency to issue the names of cyclone or to collect and ultimately disclose the condition and ultimately defines and say all those warning systems say in India और जो Indian Ocean Basin है उसमें जो भी cyclone related activities है IMD is what that say central agency to deal with. Okay, to for any forecasting as. So question demand, it's pretty much clear. The demand of the question is to explain the meaning of this color coded weather warnings. It is asked for 150 words and for 10 marks. It means you are not supposed to write say in very much detail about it. Question जब 150 words है, it means it is very specific. You are supposed to write say अगर say for example as there are 4 different color codes are there. ठीक है, अब it is pretty much clear then say if you write 25 words for each of them even, that is going to enough because the rest 25 words 25 into 4 you have to write for, so 100 words anyways you are getting consumed with there. Then 25 words for introduction and 25 words for conclusion. See आपका आंसर जो है वर्ड लिमिट 150 वर्ड्स इट इज ऑलरेडी से अचीव देन. तो आपके माइंड में ये सब चीजें पहले ही आनी चाहिए. यस, एग्जैक्टली व्हाट शुड बी द स्ट्रक्चर ऑफ माय आंसर एंड से द नंबर ऑफ वर्ड लिमिट्स और द टाइम दैट यू सपोज टू allocate फॉर दैट पर्टिकुलर क्वेश्चन एंड ईच पार्ट एज वेल. जब माइंड में ये चीजें चलेगी ना तो अपने आप फिर से आंसर राइटिंग बिकम्स प्रीटी मच इजी फॉर यू. सी तो डिमांड इज नाउ प्रीटी मच क्लियर. इंट्रोडक्शन देखो, इंट्रोडक्शन what you are supposed to write in the introduction as simple. See, start with the, don't define. देखो इंट्रोडक्शन करने से कुछ वे हो सकते हैं यहाँ पे, ठीक है। लाइक से अभी रिसेंटली अगर आप देखोगे तो साइक्लोन बिपोर जॉय that is in the current affairs, okay, or cyclone Mocha that is in the Bay of Bengal last month, it was in the current affair, or you will find in the future cyclones to India में आने ही है, okay, 2 basins are there and you will find cyclone will rather strike the Indian coast always. There are 2 cyclonic seasons. So this question asks you about define cyclone first. This question asks you about the cyclonic seasons in India. Absolutely not. Don't get confused. Don't means देखो वे तो हो सकते हैं आपके, you can define the cyclone first. Then second, you can start with the facts or figures, say of damage laid by cyclone. Or the third way that just could be, say you try to hit the demand of the question. Hit the demand of the question. See. Hit the demand of the question. The question is the core area, the center of this particular question is color coding weather warning. Yeah, color coded weather warning. So what I personally feel, you should start it with this color coded warning. Though देखो difference तो हो सकता है, no doubt, because say if maybe someone feels like नहीं सर मुझे लगता है कि fact and figures से अगर मैं start करूँ तो I can say better establish the significance of why there is a need for color coding. No issues, no issues. But again I am telling you that you should have that skill, okay, that you should say justify any of your introduction and any of your conclusion as well. Okay, say whatever you have written, it ultimately needs a justification, right? अब कैसे होगा आंसर राइटिंग में समझ आएगा आपको, ठीक है। सो इंट्रोडक्शन, देन मेन बॉडी, एज सिंपल मेन बॉडी you are supposed to write say this 4 different color codings है, IMD mention करना है, 1 single line again connect these 2 parts. Don't say it shouldn't be feel like these 2 are pretty much segregated. No, yes, these 2 parts needs to be connected. There should be a connecting body, connecting points between them. Then main bodies जो भी alert warning systems है, green है, red, orange है, okay, then red warning. So you have to write 20-25 words about them. What is the significance or what is the use of each warning, or ultimately that it leads to, and at the end conclude. So conclusion, you will find conclusion में आपको क्या करना है ना, conclusion either you can write the significance of this significance, जैसे इस कलर कोडिंग वार्निंग का जो सिग्निफिकेंस है आप बिफोर जॉय से कनेक्ट कर सकते हो, या लास्ट ईयर तोकते आया था उसमें भी कर सकते हो, या उसके पहले जो भी लाइक से फाइलिंग्स है, यू विल फाइंड देयर आर मेनी साइक्लोन्स से एवरी ईयर हैविंग देयर ऑकरेंसेस. सो सिग्निफिकेंस ऑफ दिस कलर कोडिंग वार्निंग, बिकॉज क्वेश्चन इज हार्डली फॉर 10 marks, राइट? और यू कैन अगेन से explain the need for, okay, that any improvement or any what suggestion that you are having, say for this color coding system, cyclone management as. So that's up to you. But your conclusion, it should be optimistic in a way. ऑप्टिमिस्टिक कंक्लूजन रखना है आपको कि जिस वे में आपको सोल्यूशन भी मिलेगा और बेटर हम कुछ बेटर प्रैक्टिसेस इवॉल्व कर सकते हैं दैट वे. सो दैट गिव्स यू द what the complete answer as such, ठीक है, complete answer as well. So I think you are now having pretty much clarity over the structure कि आपको approach कैसे करना है इस question को, and then now see the model answer that is given. I told you till watch the video till the end, you will get to know कि diagram का use कैसे करना है, map का mapping जो skills है आपकी उसे कैसे use करना है, and then what further the typical structure you are supposed to ensure. See, the question, demand, it is simply trying to check your awareness about the recent cyclonic occurrences and their management. How did they manage? ठीक है, even now before जो cyclone में अगर आपने देखा होगा तो red और orange warning systems issue की थी, okay, respective 8 district for 8 district though. The nature of question you will find current based, moderate level, okay. Then somehow it was unexpected, yeah, rare known case में है, but अगर current affairs से connected हो तो believe me you can absolutely attempt this question, okay, with ease. Then structure, as already we have discussed, Then North Indian Ocean is highly prone to the cyclonic development, and India, having a longest coastline in the region, say has cyclonic season mainly May, June and November, December. In order to mitigate the disaster effectively, in monsoon 2006, IMD has started to issue the color coding. See, देखो इस particular question में what I try to connect this cyclone, okay, in 2 or 3 lines and then color coding. देखो why I see what introduction that I have written over here. You will find this introduction is what trying to justify the need for color coding. It is just trying to justify the need for this color coding, and that is what the way actually, क्योंकि color coding क्यों issue किया है, there must be, you must understand the reason for. Okay, so that is the way. Then you will find हमने connecting statement भी दे दिया, and IMD had issued this color coding. See, now color codes adapted to spread awareness and ensure the quick alert mechanism to deal with the cyclonic management. Yes, देखो connecting statement भी आ गया, linking statement भी आ गया. Okay, and then 4 different codes. Green, it is issued when you are not supposed to. I told you कि 20-25 वर्ड से आपको वैसे भी ज़्यादा देना है नहीं. So just write, that is what only necessary over here. Issued when the condition is normal and no abnormal development is observed in ocean basin. Then yellow coding, it is issued to inform to be updated for possibility of depression development. It is usually issued 48 hours before as cyclonic alert. Yeah, now you are under what a growing threat, though the threat is not what's supposed to arrive immediately. However, you are under threat. Okay, that region. Then orange coding, this warning issued before 24 hours of depression landfall or advancement of the cyclone. It demands quick response of the administrative machinery to mitigate the possible damage led by the cyclone. Yes, it is like a cyclonic warning. And then red warning. Okay, 4th stage of warning includes the post landform outlook after the cyclone strikes the surface, issued by IMD and concerned authorities. It is a signal to take action immediately, usually before 12 hours before landfall and update. So see what, अब देखो यहाँ पे need थी या नहीं, appropriate position है या नहीं, that remains that can be just like a point as. However, you are supposed to draw cyclonic regions in India, those regions which are prone to frequent cyclonic occurrences. So yes, देखो यहाँ पे क्योंकि हमारे पास स्किल भी है and you are now aware about कि cyclones इंडिया में occurred कहाँ होते हैं. तो yes, you are supposed to. Then at the end say for possible weather changes. In this case, all measures to be taken to minimize damage by families and response team, rescue team has to on quick active mode. And then देखो आज जैसे like say you will see after the say retreat of the Biporjoy cyclone or the Mocha cyclone in Myanmar, okay, or Taukte cyclone in the Arabian Sea. Say after it retreats, you will find some disaster management, post-disaster management techniques, or say some efforts needs to be taken. So ये भी लिखना है आपको. And then this color code conclusion. This color code warnings issued make administrator, government and people more alert. That leads to improvement in the means of communication like TV, social media, etc. Makes it widespread to mitigate the cyclonic disaster. Yes, this is how you are supposed to attempt this particular question, which is for 10 marks. It's about cyclone color coding, and don't try to beat around the bush. Don't try to write cyclone क्या होता है, then cyclone rotation कैसे होता है, and then everything. Yeah, I think this approach, how to approach question, okay, how to approach the answer in totality, that you are having a bit further more idea about it. So yes, this is all about for today, guys. If you really like this video, please like us. Don't forget to comment as well. Having any doubts or आपके कुछ suggestions हो तो please like, share and subscribe to our channel. Thank you.